Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of first prep, we are going to solve a question of Egyptian Knowledge Bank. We have MCQ questions, or we say we have multiple choice questions. We have today questions on chemical reactions. Okay, we will make or solve the questions on different kind of reactions. Okay, let's start. Question number 1 says that what is the name of the chemical reaction in which elements and compounds join together to create single product? Okay, we have what kind of reaction? We have element and compound. Each one will give a new product or single product. The main kind of reaction here we called it what? Direct combination reaction or direct combination reaction. Okay, so the right answer will be letter A. Okay, what do we mean by direct combination reaction? It is a reaction between element and element, element and compound, or compound and compound to form new single product only. Okay, no side product present, only one product or single product will be gained. Okay, let's going to question 2. Question 2 says that the chemical reaction equation below shows nitrogen monoxide reacts with oxygen. Okay, we have here 2NO, nitrogen monoxide. It is a compound, reacts with oxygen to give 2NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Which of the following types of direct combination reaction or direct combustion reaction only, not direct combination, direct combustion and combination also, does this equation represent? Okay, so we have here, I said we have a compound NO and element O2, so it's a combination or direct combustion between what? Between element with compound. Okay, an element with a compound, so the right answer will be letter A. We have here compound with another compound, no. Mixture with a compound, also it's wrong. Element with another element, we have one element and other not element. Mixture with element, no, it's a compound. Nitrogen monoxide, it's a compound. Some make a mistakes for this, think that nitrogen monoxide is a mixture. No, it's a compound that reacts with an element to produce a direct or single product, which is nitrogen dioxide. Okay, let's going to question 3. Question 3 says that what chemical is product when magnesium reacts with oxygen? Okay, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, magnesium element Mg reacts with oxygen O2, 2Mg, 2 atoms of magnesium reacts with 1 molecule of oxygen. It consists of 2 atoms also, make a burning or make a triangle on the arrow that give magnesium oxide 2MgO. So the product will be, also it is a direct combination here, we have a magnesium oxide. We have magnesium oxide when reacts, when oxygen put in the side, we said we have different kinds of compounds, that we have acid, base, oxide and salts. When we write oxygen in the other part of the compound, we convert it, we remove the syllabus YGEN and put the syllabus IDE. So oxygen converted into oxide, so the right answer will be magnesium oxide. Okay, let's going to question 4 says that which of the following chemical equations show the reaction between ammonia and hydrogen chloride to form ammonium chloride? Okay, so we have here reaction between what? Between two compounds. We have the first one ammonia, it's a symbol NH3. And hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, also its other name, we have here HCl. And the concentration reaction only happen here, not any. So we have must put in questions, didn't put them, but we have, when you write it you must write NH3 plus HCl conc or concentrated, that give the product will be what? Ammonium chloride. Okay, the first one, HCl plus NaCl, no, it's wrong. It's a reaction between acid and what? Acid and salt that give, okay, acid and salt that give base and water. Okay, so it's not a right answer. NH4, no, it's not, it's a product. We want this is a product, not a reactant. Okay, N2, no, we want to get the reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen. Ammonia and oxygen here, no, the last one here, it is the right answer. NH3 ammonia plus HCl, that give ammonium chloride, and right above the triangle concentrated NH4Cl as product, and right an arrow, it's a fumes, white fumes of ammonium chloride, NH4Cl as a product from this combination reaction. Okay, let's go into question 5. Question 5 says that in which of the following chemical reactions is carbon dioxide a product? Okay, we wanted to get carbon dioxide as a product. Okay, we have calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide, no, it's in the side of reactant. We have here carbon plus oxygen that give carbon dioxide, yes, it is the right answer. We have here carbon dioxide also in the reactant. We have here carbon monoxide in the product, and the last one we have carbon dioxide in the reactant. So the right answer will be letter B. Carbon, one carbon atom reacts with two molecules of two atoms of oxygen or one molecule of oxygen that give carbon dioxide. So we have here it is a balanced equation. The reactant equals the same number of product. Okay, this is question 5. Let's go into question 6. We have question 6 says that which of the following chemical reactions shows a direct combination reaction between element and compound? Okay, we wanted to get direct combination, that means that we have only one product or single product. Okay, you understand this? We have here reactant between element and compound. The first one here, compound and compound. The second B, we have compound and the element, right? So it will give one product, so the right answer will be letter B. Okay, we will continue the other choices. We have here compound and oxygen that give two products. No, it's not a single or direct combination. We have here element and element, last we have two compounds, so the right answer will be letter B. We have direct combination between compound SO2 sulfur dioxide with oxygen dioxide that make a burning. We must write triangle here over the arrow to give 2 SO2 to give 2 SO3 sulfur trioxide as a single product from direct combination between compound and element. Okay, let's go into question 7. Question 7 says that the particles in the diagram shows the reaction between carbon and oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Heat is required for this reaction to take place. What does the heat do? Okay, heat is a very effective factor here that without it no reaction will happen. So it is a main function of it. When we have an element like a carbon, it's one atom only, so we didn't need to break any bond or make a reaction. Okay, we said chemical reaction, it means that break down bond between the molecules of reactant and forming a new bond between the product. Okay, so we have here the one that has the bond will be oxygen only. It consists of double covalent bond. So we will break this bond to make the reaction and form a new bond with carbon, forming carbon dioxide. So the reaction here will be it break double covalent bond in the oxygen molecule. So the right answer will be letter D. Okay, let's discuss our choices. It turns the carbon into salt during burning. No. It allows carbon dioxide molecule to turn into gas. No, it's not a gas. It will make a grayish ash. Okay. Number C, it forms the bonds between carbon and oxygen atoms. No. No bond will form without breaking what? Breaking the bond between oxygen atoms. Okay, so the first step here, break bond in the oxygen molecule and form a new bond with carbon. Okay, it breaks double bond, double covalent. Yes, it is the right answer. The last one, it sticks the carbon atom to the oxygen atom. No, we can stick them without breaking also the bond that present inside the molecule of oxygen. Okay, now we understand what happened inside the chemical reaction. We said we have a definition of chemical reaction. It's a breaking down or breaking up a bond between molecules of reactant. Okay, we said we break the bond if we have a bond. Okay, like here in oxygen. Okay, we break down the double covalent bond inside the oxygen and form a new bond in the product molecules. We have a new bond here between carbon and two oxygen. We have here two double covalent bond. Okay, let's going to question 8. Question 8 says that what does a triangle above the arrow in a chemical reaction or a chemical equation means? Okay, let's discuss our choices. Three substances present, concentrated substances, diluted substances, heat required, and uniform crystal created. Okay, we said the triangle here means that we make a heat or heat required. So no anything will be else can be obtained. We have only triangles that make a heat required. So we have diluted substances. When we have diluted substances, we write DIL dot. When we have concentrated, we will write conc, CONC dot. When we have more than substance, we will write them below, write them before the arrow. When we have a product, we write them after the arrow. Okay, so we have, if we have more than two factors, we write one above and one below the arrow, so it will give a chemical equation as its formula. Okay, let's going to question 9. Question 9 says that which of the following chemical reactions is a direct combination reaction? Okay, we said what is mean by direct combination reaction. It means that reaction between two substances to form one single product, one or single product. We have here the first one, iron with sulfur, that give iron sulfide. Okay, we have the second one, magnesium with oxygen, magnesium with water, that give two products, so it's wrong. C, and here we have lead nitrate with potassium iodide, that give also two products. Methane plus oxygen, that give also two products. Water that decompose into hydrogen and oxygen, that give also two products. Okay, we have here the first one will be the right answer, letter A, iron, 8 iron plus S8 sulfur as a gas, that give 8 FeS. So it's a right answer as we have single or only one product from a direct combination reaction here. Okay, so it is the right answer 4 questions, and it is the last one for our questions today. Thank you for joining. I hope you understand every question, and if you have any problems or any questions, you can connect us with any way of communication. I hope you enjoy these questions. Goodbye and good luck.